2024 Yamaha TMAX vs 2024 Honda X-ADV, a battle of adventure scooters. The world of two-wheeled adventure riding is evolving rapidly, and in 2024, two prominent manufacturers, Yamaha and Honda, have taken the adventure scooter segment by storm with their latest offerings, the 2024 Yamaha TMAX and the 2024 Honda X-ADV. Adventure scooters, with their blend of versatility, comfort, and off-road capabilities, have gained popularity among riders seeking a more adventurous riding experience. In this article, we will compare and contrast these two impressive scooters, highlighting their features, performance, and overall appeal. Design and style. The 2024 Yamaha TMAX exudes a modern and sporty design, with sharp lines, a distinctive LED headlight, and a sleek fairing. It showcases Yamaha's commitment to aesthetics and performance. The TMAX looks ready to take on city streets and winding roads with confidence, making a bold statement. On the other hand, the 2024 Honda X-ADV offers a more rugged and off-road inspired design. With its raised suspension, aggressive beak-style front end, and pronounced adventure-style bodywork, it clearly conveys its capabilities as an adventure scooter. The X-ADV's design is a nod to its dual-purpose nature, inviting riders to explore both urban landscapes and unpaved trails. Performance. Both the Yamaha TMAX and the Honda X-ADV are powered by powerful and efficient engines. The TMAX boasts a 560 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, delivering smooth acceleration and plenty of low-end torque. This engine is designed for spirited riding, whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on the highway. The Honda X-ADV, meanwhile, packs a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from the popular Honda NC750 series. With its impressive low-end torque and versatile power delivery, the X-ADV offers excellent performance both on and off the road. It's a clear choice for those who want a more versatile and adaptable power plant. Handling and suspension. When it comes to handling, the TMAX features a robust aluminum frame that provides stability and nimbleness. Its suspension setup, consisting of inverted forks at the front and a rear monoshock, ensures a comfortable and sporty ride on various road conditions. The Honda X-ADV, designed with off-road capabilities in mind, offers long travel suspension with adjustable forks and a rear monoshock. This setup allows riders to tackle rough terrain with ease while maintaining a comfortable ride on the pavement. The X-ADV's higher ground clearance also enhances its off-road prowess. Technology and features. Both scooters come equipped with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. The TMAX features a comprehensive suite of electronic aids, including traction control, ride modes, and a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. The Yamaha also offers a keyless ignition system, making it convenient for urban riders. The Honda X-ADV matches the TMAX with a full suite of electronic aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and even an optional dual-clutch automatic transmission (DCT) for seamless gear changes. It also features a digital dashboard and smartphone connectivity. However, what sets the X-ADV apart is its standard fitment of Honda's DCT, providing a unique and user-friendly experience for riders. Off-road capabilities. In terms of off-road capabilities, the Honda X-ADV takes the lead due to its purpose-built design. With a higher ground clearance, robust frame, and long travel suspension, it's better suited for off-road adventures than the TMAX. The X-ADV's DCT also simplifies off-road riding by allowing riders to focus on their path instead of clutch operation. Price and value. Price is often a crucial factor in choosing a scooter, and both the Yamaha TMAX and the Honda X-ADV fall in the premium category. The actual prices may vary depending on the market and optional features, but the X-ADV tends to be slightly more expensive due to its advanced technology and off-road capabilities. 2024 Yamaha TMAX engine. The TMAX is powered by a 560 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, which produces ample power for spirited riding. It's equipped with features like variable valve timing for improved low-end torque and fuel efficiency. 2024 Honda X-ADV engine. The Honda X-ADV features a robust 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with strong low-end torque, making it an ideal choice for riders who want a versatile scooter capable of handling various terrains. 2024 Yamaha TMAX transmission. The TMAX offers a traditional CVT, continuously variable transmission, for smooth acceleration and ease of use. It allows for effortless urban commuting and highway cruising. 2024 Honda X-ADV transmission. One of the standout features of the X-ADV is its DCT, dual clutch transmission, option, which allows riders to switch between automatic and manual modes. This technology simplifies gear shifting and enhances both on-road and off-road performance. 2024 Yamaha TMAX brakes. Equipped with dual front disc brakes with powerful calipers and ABS anti-lock braking system, the TMAX provides excellent stopping power and safety. 2024 Honda X-ADV brakes. Similar to the TMAX, the X-ADV also boasts a dual-disc front brake setup with ABS. The brakes offer excellent stopping power and control. 2024 Yamaha TMAX Ergonomics. The TMAX offers a comfortable and upright riding position with a spacious seat. It's well suited for both short city commutes and long-distance touring. 2024 Honda X-ADV Ergonomics. The X-ADV provides an upright and commanding riding position, offering a clear view of the road ahead. The seat is adjustable for height, catering to a wide range of riders. 2024 Honda X-ADV technology. Honda's advanced rider aids, such as the selectable riding modes and traction control, ensure a safe and enjoyable riding experience. The X-ADV also features smartphone connectivity and a digital instrument cluster. 2024 Yamaha TMAX technology. Yamaha's MyRide app connects to the TMAX via Bluetooth, offering riders access to various functions like navigation, smartphone notifications, and vehicle information through the full-color TFT display. Off-road abilities. While the Yamaha TMAX is primarily designed for on-road use with its sporty and nimble characteristics, the Honda X-ADV is better equipped for off-road adventures. Its long travel suspension, higher ground clearance, and DCT option make it a more capable choice for riders who enjoy exploring unpaved paths and tackling rough terrain. Price comparison. The Yamaha TMAX Tech Max that we get in the UK costs £12,500. The pricing of these scooters can vary depending on the market and any optional features or accessories. Generally, the Honda X-ADV we can expect the price tag to be well over $10,000. The Honda X-ADV tends to be slightly more expensive than the Yamaha TMAX due to its advanced technology, DCT option, and off-road capabilities. Choosing between the 2024 Yamaha TMAX and the 2024 Honda X-ADV ultimately depends on your riding preferences and intended use. If you prioritize a sporty and stylish scooter with excellent road manners and the option for spirited riding, the TMAX is an appealing choice. On the other hand, if you're drawn to the idea of adventure riding, off-road capabilities, and the convenience of an automatic transmission, the Honda X-ADV stands out as a versatile and capable option. Both scooters offer a high level of performance and technology, making them excellent contenders in the adventure scooter segment. It's up to you to decide which one aligns better with your riding aspirations and style. The 2024 Yamaha TMAX and the 2024 Honda X-ADV are both exceptional adventure scooters, but they cater to different riding preferences. The TMAX is more focused on urban and sporty riding, while the X-ADV is tailored for those seeking adventure and off-road capabilities. Your choice should be based on your specific riding needs and the type of terrain you plan to conquer. Either way, Both scooters offer cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and the promise of thrilling adventures on two wheels.